Hi everybody, it's Miss Cat here at the Wetaskiwin Public Library with another craft video for you. The theme of this craft video is mindfulness, so special for this kit we have two different crafts. For our first craft you will need markers, the mandala templates, cardboard, string, something sharp like a skewer or a toothpick, glue, and scissors. And then for our second craft you will need balloon, water beads, water bottle, and some water. Our first step is to color our mandalas. Now that you're done coloring, it's time to cut out. Now that you're done cutting out, you're going to want to take one of them and trace it onto your cardboard piece. Just like that. Now it's time to cut out the cardboard circle. This might be a little bit tricky, so you might need an adult to help. Now you're going to take your glue stick and glue your mandalas to the cardboard. Now you're going to take something sharp like a toothpick or skewer, and you're going to want to poke two holes, one right there and right there, about ½ inch apart. Now you're going to take your thread and thread it through, kind of like a giant button. Once it's threaded through like that, you're going to take the two ends and tie them together. If you have extra, you can trim it off. Once it's threaded through, you're going to want to put it around your hands and roll your wrists forward, and then move in and out. For our next craft, we are making a water bead stress ball. And the first step for that is to take your handy dandy water beads and pour it into your empty water bottle. Now we're going to take our water bottle and fill it about half full with water. Like that. So once you add your water, they'll start out looking like this. And then in a few hours, they will look like this. We're going to take our balloon and blow it up to create space for the water beads. take the end and twist it. Once it's twisted and the air is trapped, you're going to want to take the end and put it over top of your water bottle. If this is too tricky, you can get an adult to help you. Perfect. Now you can untwist the balloon, flip the bottle over, and pour the beads in. Now we can take the bottle off and release the air. Now we'll tie the balloon off. Now you have a water bead stress ball. If you've got extra water beads and a balloon left over at home, feel free to make a second stress ball, or you can just play with the water beads as is. Thanks for watching our craft video today. I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to check out some of our other videos.